Hey everybody, Brad Secundy with TeamSecundy, REMAX Properties, local realtors here in Colorado Springs, Manitou Springs, and El Paso County. Just want to introduce to you our team.
Hi, I'm Megan Youngwerth, and check out our newest listing with a beautiful view of Garden of the Gods.
Tempe Krieger. We are here at 6370 Waterfall Loop up in beautiful Crystal Park. Come take a look at this gorgeous listing with us. Can you imagine sitting on your full wraparound deck overlooking unobstructed views of Garden of the Gods, specifically Kissing Camels? This home is walking distance from the stocked private trout pond, as well as the heated swimming pool from Memorial Day through Labor Day, as well as the clubhouse just down the road. This home is on one of the rare lots in Crystal Park that is very secluded with its own private driveway winding right up through the aspens and pines just up to your home. Crystal Park offers such serene beauty, living in nature, as well as only being 15 to 20 minutes from Manitou Springs and only half an hour from downtown Colorado Springs. As you enter the home, you're greeted to a very open floor plan, main level, a beautiful loft just above the kitchen, and views, and more views out every single window. The main level features 2 bedrooms plus a full bathroom. Kitchen features a center island, stainless steel appliances, and that open feel so that when you have guests or your family, you can just enjoy talking to them while you're cooking at the same time. The living room features a stone fireplace. The stairs take you right up to a beautiful open loft, as well as the upper level master bedroom. The basement features the additional 4th bedroom.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this beautiful listing and video. We would love if you or anybody you know is interested in viewing this house, please give us a call. Brad, Megan, or Temp. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.